In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add voiceovers to your videos. Now, to get started, you first need to open a project. So you click on the three dots and you need to edit the storyboard, because in the storyboard is the area where you can add voiceovers to your videos. So when we scroll here, you can see at the bottom of each scene here, you can see the narrator here. So this is basically what the voiceover will tell you. So here it says, "Welcome to a world of hidden secrets." That's the narrator. But in this story, we also have a character. And in this case, that's Frank Malone here. And when we scroll down here, you can see that Frank Malone is also talking. He says, "I must follow every lead." And then we have the narrator again. Now, by default, there are no voices being added. So you first need to render your voices here at the right side. You can see the characters and the voices that those characters have. So for each character in the story, you can add a voice and you could choose the voice. So you see a pencil here, which says change speaker. So when I click on this pencil, it will open all the available voices that you can choose from. So for example, in this case, we want to have a male voice. So we could choose here male voice. So we select all male voices and you can listen to the voices by clicking on play.
The Matrix series is a classic sci-fi.
Or maybe Brian.
The world of literature opens doors to new worlds.
And let's say you like one of the voices, you can also favorite them. And let's say you create multiple projects and you like the voices, you can here select favorites. So these are the voices that I like. So for example, Derek here.
Feel the zest of the tropics.
Is a good voice, or Davis.
The mountaintop was Paul's.
So if you want to use a voice, you simply select the voice and you click here on select voice. And now Frank has been selected. We've chosen the voiceover for Frank. We can do the same for Evelyn. Here we click this pencil. And now we're going to choose female voices. So we can see female voices in here. So you can listen to them again, but in this case, we're going to pick Ava here and we're going to select the voice. For the narrator, we can also pick a voice. So we click on the pencil again and we choose a narrator. So let's say we want to do male voices again. We do favorites only. Let's say we're going to use Davis in this case, and we're going to select the voice. Now, you can also choose other languages. Let's say your script is in another language. You can choose that from the drop-down menu here. But in this case, we only going to do English. And if you have one of the upgrades, you will also be able to connect your 11 Labs account here, which means that you're going to get access to all your 11 Labs voices as well. And also OpenAI. If you have connected your OpenAI, you can also choose from the available OpenAI voices. In this case, we're just going to pick one. So we select Davis here. And now we can see here that our voices have been selected. And the only thing that you need to do is click on Generate Voiceover. And this is going to take a couple of seconds. You can see this goes really fast. And once it's done, your voices have been added to your video. You can see here, the voices are generated. And now we can listen to them. So the narrator is here.
Welcome to a world of hidden secrets. The murder of 1941 begins.
And now we go to the character. So in this case, this is Frank. Frank has a voice here.
I must follow every lead. Every detail holds a story.
So you can see here the voices have been added to your story here. Not sure if Evelyn also is here. Yeah, this is Evelyn, so listen.
There are whispers of betrayal.
So the voices have been added. So what you can do now is you go to Save here and click on Next, which means that the timeline editor will be opened with the voiceover that we just generated. So when we play the video.
Welcome to a world of hidden secrets. The murder of 1941 begins. I must follow every lead. Every detail holds a story.
So you can see the voices have been added, and this is how you can add voiceovers to your videos.